Welcome back to the channel, or to the channel for those who haven't. I'm Grizzly Wolf. Today I'm going to be installing some Lumen LED taillights on my JKU. Get rid of the factory incandescents. First you need to remove these two Phillips screws. Push towards the center. You'll push down on the clip and pull out the connector. Simple as can be. Now, with these, they do have the anti-flicker device already wired in, and with how they mounted, they're using these clips. I didn't like with how they were going on. They felt like they're going on way too loose and wouldn't hold up. So all I did was grab them with a set of pliers, pinch them down so they get a little bit tighter, so they'll pinch the two pieces of metal a lot tighter and won't slip. And then inside here, you'll see the piece of your body. That's what you're going to push it onto to mount the anti-flicker. And these ones I might have actually pinched a little too tight. Really? Now that one's too loose. See how it feels when I push it. And that's what it'll look like once it's on. Slide your connector back in and push till you hear it click. Tuck your wires back in. And slide it on over. Then reinstall your two Phillips screws. Do be careful when you're putting them in not to over tighten. It is just a pair of metal clips and you can strip those out pretty easy. Then my sidekick wing nut will hit the brakes. And just that easy, you can have some new LED brighter taillights. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, please subscribe, please ring the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my installs or reviews. And you have a good day.